I can get any help from you too, I don't need to get
Every time I get into your bumper, I go into a turn, so I don't want to hit you.
Same here.
Pass me
on the inside, and
Caution.
never
Talk to you about your car real quick.
behind me. And I do apologize.
You disappeared into the forest. See ya. It's on the back stretch, or on the exiting turn 2.
Yeah, Reese, I was right on your bumper, but every time I got up there to bump draft, you were getting ready to go into a turn. I didn't want to be that guy.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't know what we should do, but if you get my bumper off the corner and then we can go, but I just couldn't. I can never make a pass at this place. I can never do it. It's just weird. Unless they make a mistake and they like hit the wall or whatever. It never works out.
It's probably the best shot I make passes on the straightaway.
You got to get your timing just right in the corner, so you're getting a good run coming off the turn. Then you can usually get next to them. But it always comes down to the guy you're passing is a good driver and knows letting them a little.
Haha, the key phrase, get a little.
I haven't flat out passed anybody all week here. The only way you're going to get around somebody is if they just don't want to push the issue and they let them do it.
Yeah, I mean, if it's in his head, it's fine, and I was just looking for him. But, I mean, to be smart, I lit. And I just don't want to cause a wreck.
That's why I lifted for Christopher. That was the simple reason I knew that he had a run on me. I'd rather lose the position than wreck myself or wreck someone else.
Yeah, I noticed that, and I didn't want to. I knew that we would catch him, and I was just going to wait. Because I figured it's just too tight in the corners, and if we get a run on the... I was waiting for you to pop out to the left, and then I thought, well, maybe we could get him on the inside before the turn, but it's pretty tough.
So the thing was that Tony was basically backing off to give Reese room, so I was backing off from him. Then you were... There's 3-4 of us basically right next to each other almost every single time we go on the corners. You can't pass here. Unless you're an idiot or got balls the size of bowling balls.
The draft here is pretty good though, but like you said, you got it right off the corner.
Yeah, and I really don't think if you dove it in there on the inside, I don't know if you could hold it while there's others up on top.
I had one race this week where I passed a guy going into 3, and at the entrance of the turn, we were door handle to door handle, and he didn't lift. And somehow I didn't get up into him, but you lose so much momentum trying to keep it down there on the bottom that he gets you coming off the turn, so it's pointless to even try it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
The way I look at it is, both Ronnie and Reese, they got a good run on me coming off the turn. Right? So I listed going into the turn because the way I look at it here, that's as close to making a pass as you're going to get, so it doesn't happen.
Right, exactly. And I thought, well, why push the issue? Because if you get into somebody, you're going with them, and it's going to create this, chain reaction, and that's never a good thing.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, started in 5th, I'm ending in 5th. I'm happy. I've had a couple of 2s and 3s. It is what it is. It's Monza.
That's true. This is this is a mix between Darlington and Daytona.
Yeah, and also if you the leader, you're right. You know where to go, so you're as well.
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, like somebody said, it's Monza, and we're in a NASCAR truck. Only in iRacing.
Yeah, we're not in a. Has anybody run the Cup cars around here?
Yeah, they run the Cup races running there now, but like that turn one bump, I can't imagine hitting that in the Cup car.
Don't they go like 220? I think I saw on like a video on YouTube or something.
We hit 205 going into that turn. And it's bad. You get airborne in this. I can't imagine in that. That's why we don't race here in real life. All of the drivers will probably get injuries.
Well, if you were to race here anyway, I don't think they can race here anyway because of it's not, you can't see it on the track. The track is closed. Two to go. There's been so many deaths here. It's like the most death fatalities rate in the whole world here in this track. Not, I mean, there's Monza in general, like the whole facility, not just this track.
Just to mention if the IndyCar race here.
They do. Well, not in real life, but I think it's all video.
I'm sure at some point or another, everything that runs an oval will run here at some point during iRacing.
I think NASCAR did come here to test though. For like Darlington, some people came here to test their trucks or their setups here. Kind of like that guy said, Darlington.
White flag, item two.
You bet.
What? It wouldn't be worth the cost for them to ship that shit all the way over
Right.
If NASCAR would go to Japan, they would go here.
They've never raced here. This is a closed track. There's grass all over this. In real life, it's not. The surface that you see on this game is not what it is in real life. Look it up.
There's no safer barriers.
Yeah, there's no safer barrier. There's nothing. It's the guardrail, and yeah, it's terrible. Look it up. I just looked at it. It's bad. They will not race it ever.
Yeah, iRacing took all the grass off of this stuff, but, you know, obviously the racers can't, so you can feel all the bumps in it.
I don't know how your graphics are set up, but I can actually see the grass if things aren't slow enough. It's just not obviously grown out.
The Japan race was supposed to be really cool.
What year was that?
It was a long time ago there was
Yeah, it was the late 90s.
Yeah, Senior ran the Coca-Cola car. My dad's got a digest for that.
Yeah, we used to go to Japan.
Well, that was an exciting finish, gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed the view. Hope you enjoy Italy.
Hope you
That
enjoyed
sounded like
your
he was the
foray.
one broadcasting this.
I didn't enjoy my 8X.
All because of someone
Well, the
else's
race was
wreck.
somewhat
Every
exciting,
time.
but the finish,
Hey, I
not so much.
apologize the
Thanks for
first
watching,
five guys.
everyone.
I'm just mistaken on that, but hopefully it didn't ruin the race.
Hey, live and learn, Tony. You have to blame a little bit of it on me, I guess. I mean, heck, in real life, if they miss a driver's meeting, they got to start in the back.
The only thing I wish they would do with this track is make the actual race longer than 20 laps, because you spend the majority of the time just driving around at 20 miles an hour.
We had a couple days ago run through one of these caution laps, and we never did a full green lap.
I don't mind the track itself.